Picture a realm where architecture meets artistry, where luxury is not just an adjective, but a way of life. Welcome to Santa Clarita's luxury real estate market, a world brimming with properties that redefine opulence. Here, every home is a masterpiece, each with its own unique character. From sprawling interiors to breathtaking views, from shimmering pools to gourmet kitchens, Santa Clarita's luxury homes offer an unparalleled living experience. Imagine watching your favorite film in a custom home theater, or hosting a lavish dinner in your state-of-the-art kitchen. Perhaps you prefer a refreshing morning swim in your private pool, or a quiet evening by the fireplace. The possibilities are limitless. But a luxury property is more than just its features. It's about the lifestyle it offers. Picture exclusive golf courses, high-end shopping, gourmet dining, and cultural events all within your reach. Meet Connor, your trusted companion in this journey. With an intimate understanding of the nuances of the luxury market and an extensive network, Connor is well equipped to cater to your discerning tastes. His unwavering dedication ensures you secure not just a property, but the home of your dreams. Listen to the voices of satisfied homeowners, praising Connor's personalized service, negotiation skills, and his dedication to finding the perfect property. These testimonials are a testament to Connor's expertise and commitment. Are you ready to elevate your life to new heights? Contact Connor for a personalized consultation. Embark on your extraordinary journey in the world of luxury real estate. Explore exclusive listings on our website and delve into the world of Santa Clarita's finest properties. Experience the grandeur of Santa Clarita's luxury homes. With Connor by your side, unlock the door to a world where luxury is not just a dream but a reality.